Within many branches with Internet web hosting, expertise is known as focused Internet hosting. Unlike VPS, you are not allowed to share the server. Instead, you do own the server for your very own cause. You can take the server on lease from a focused server host organization. You will be in charge on the server completely with respect to hardware and the application issues. The connectivity and equipment also depends on the consent on the service provider. The main server offers the customer while using data center facilities. Whenever you share a server, then you're constrained on resources. So you cannot expand your possibilities towards the fullest. The website needs to become growing all the time. So it can be usually much better to go in for focused hosting rather than the shared web host companies like the VPS. Using the choice of your individual server, you possibly can choose the operating systems and softwares according to your selection. You might even need to personalize some settings for your e-commerce and media requirements. It's very useful for those who are looking to multiply their possibilities but face using the issue of restricted finance. An own server would cost a lot of funds. When you have a system which is facing with heavy traffic and have complications due to lack of staff, security and resources, dedicated server is the greatest preference. The greatest benefit of a dedicated web host with respect to the in-house solution is within the amount that is saved. It will not require the position on the network administrator to be filled. With focused web companies, it is possible to perform extra complex calculations and applications. They include high-end email expertise, streaming media. You possibly can also host a lot more than a single site at the single machine. All the computer software connections are maintained by the web hosting servers. Limitation of committed Internet hosting. 1. Adult content. If the application is illicit or large in size, then it may well be disallowed. 2. Copyright verification. If you fail the copyscape test, then your program will be scrapped off. Nonetheless, excellent faith and honesty will continually precede you with focused web host within the appropriate direction.